Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to easily share learning materials with students using the Cyber Square LMS. Sharing materials with students has now become quick and simple. Whether it's notes, homeworks, worksheets, or other learning resources, you can upload and share them with your students in just a few steps. Let's take a look at how you can do this easily using the Cyber Square LMS platform.
Go to Study Materials menu and select a class. When you click Add Content, you will see multiple options to add materials. You can upload files directly from your device, add videos, create assessment questions, select existing resources from the LMS, or import files such as Google Docs and Google Slides directly from Google Drive. To upload a file, simply click on Upload from Files and select the required file from your device. Once selected, you can rename the file if needed by editing the resource title and then click Upload. After clicking Upload, a confirmation message will appear asking whether you want to add this resource only to the selected class or share it with other divisions as well. Choose the required option and click Confirm. Once confirmed, the resource will be shared immediately with students. They will be able to view it on their LMS platform, and they will also receive a notification on their mobile app. You can also forward your resources to other divisions after uploading them. Simply click on the three dots next to the material and select the Forward option. Here, you will be able to see which divisions the material is already shared with. You can then select the other divisions where you want to share it and click Confirm. The material will then be forwarded to those divisions as well. You can also remove a material from the class by clicking on the three dots next to the resource and selecting the Delete option. You can also add videos to your sections by clicking on the Video option. You can upload a video directly from your device, or add a YouTube video by searching for it here, or by pasting the video link. Simply select the video you want to add, edit the title if required, and click Save. You can add assessment questions by clicking on the Create Assessments option. Here, you can choose different types of questions such as multiple choice, descriptive, fill in the blanks, and match the following questions. You can also choose existing questions from the LMS resource pool. Simply click on the Select from Resources option, search for the resources that are already available, and add them to your section. You can also preview the resources before adding them. You can also add Google Slides or Google Docs directly from your Google Drive. Simply click on the Google Drive option and choose the file you want to add. You can add both Google Slides and Google Docs this way. The materials you share will be visible to students in the same way on their LMS platform. Students can open the materials, view them, and attend the resources from their side.
That's how you can easily share learning materials, assessments, and homework with your students using the Cyber Square LMS. We hope this tutorial helps you manage your classes more efficiently and keep your students connected with the learning resources they need. Thank you for watching.